front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle, and first of all set up an hour. Then tap on one of those repeat options, ring once, work or custom. Now tap on days of the week you wish to exclude. And when you finished, choose alarm name. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on ringtone. Select allow. Tap on one of those, default or none. Select one of those options like weather, or hit on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone. When you finished, go back and click on vibrate to tap on one of those patterns, disable vibrations or synchronize them with chosen ringtone. Now select snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also turn it on or off thanks to this switcher at the top. When you're ready, after going back this time, you need to choose done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. Then pick one of those options in the pop-up. To make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and hit done. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it, choose delete, and wait. To manage more alarm options, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and operate all of those under alarms. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!